Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Today we will share authentic and traditional taste of Daleem. We will make Daleem masala with perfect spices ratio and perfect measurement of grains, which will give the Daleem perfect texture and traditional rich flavor. First of all, we will prepare Daleem masala. We will take 2 black cardamom, 3 pieces of cinnamon stick and 10 to 12 cloves, teaspoon mace spice, half piece of nutmeg, 5 to 6 green cardamom, 1 tablespoon black peppers, 1 star anise, 3 long peppers, 2 tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 tablespoon coriander seeds. Grind all the spices into the powder. We will divide the prepared spices powder into two equal portions. In first portion of prepared spices, we will add some extra spices. Add 1.5 tablespoon chili flakes, 2 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon salt. Salt can be adjusted later while cooking the daleem. We can add more if required. Mix all the spices well. Add 2 curry leaves. Spicy rich masala we will add with the meat. This plain masala we will add at the final stage of the daleem. Healthy, aromatic and free of any harmful preservative daleem masala are ready to give daleem rich flavor. Perfect measurement of grain is very important for perfect flavor and texture. Let's measure the lentils. Half cup of dal chana chickpeas lentils. Half cup of dal mash split black lentils. Half cup of dal mong split green lentils. Half cup of dal masoor red lentils. Half cup of barlay cereal grains. Here we will double the quantity of wheat cereal grain. We will add 1 cup full of wheat. We will use half cup of rice as it provides starch to your daleem and bind it nicely. Here is a complete ratio of grains which we will use in making of daleem for 1 kg beef or mutton. We will mix lentils. You can mix and can also store in airtight jar for later use.